Rest of the celebration. This is about fun, friends.
My idol and beloved Governor of Iloilo, Governor Toto.
Naman po namin. Gila lang ka.
Also, the municipality of Santa Barbara is
This is JC.
no purchase of at least 1,500 pesos. So please bring your ID.
10K. First place.
Gabalahaw? Man, di ka ay, gets mo pa abot nga. Napamay poy-poy ka. Ginaon na matakot balahaw. Ay, ang congrats.